In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a refund, so your books stay accurate and your customer gets their money back the right way. A refund receipt in QuickBooks is used when you're actually returning money to a customer. It reverses the sale for that item or account and posts the outflow from the account you choose. If you just want to reduce what a customer owes without sending money back, that's a different workflow. But today we're focusing on issuing an actual refund. Start by opening QuickBooks and heading to the plus new button. This is your launchpad for creating transactions. From that menu, pick Refund Receipt. You'll land on a form that looks similar to a sales receipt, but it's designed to move money from you back to your customer. Next, choose the customer you're refunding. Make sure you pick the exact customer profile tied to the original sale so your history and reports line up. It's a good idea to glance at the date on the refund receipt and set it to the date you actually processed or plan to process the refund, which helps with bank reconciliation later. Now, add the product, service, or account you're refunding. If you're returning a specific item, select the same product or service you sold originally, so quantities, rates, and any linked income accounts stay consistent. If you're refunding a fee or an overcharge, choose the appropriate account that best represents what's being reversed. Double-check the description, quantity, rate, and tax setting to ensure the amount matches what you intend to return. You can use the memo field to note the reason for the refund for your future reference. Choose the payment method you're using to return the money, cash, bank, or credit card. Pick the one that reflects how the funds will actually go back to the customer. This choice helps your records clearly show the path of the refund. Then, select the account the money is coming from. This is the cash, checking, or credit card account you'll use to issue the refund. Choose the same account you'll see the transaction clear in, so when you reconcile your statements, everything matches up smoothly. Give everything a final review: customer, items or accounts, amounts, date, payment method, and the funding account. And then click Save. That's it. Your refund is now recorded, your revenue is adjusted, and the money out is tied to the correct account, keeping your books clean and your customer taken care of.